Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool LID part #W11130236. The Whirlpool LID part #W11130236 is a replacement lid for a Whirlpool washing machine. It is made of durable plastic and is designed to fit most Whirlpool washers. The lid features a unique locking mechanism that helps keep the lid securely closed during the wash cycle. The lid also has an ergonomic handle for easy opening and closing. This part is compatible with many models of Whirlpool washers, including the Duet, Cabrio, Bravos, and Kenmore Elite series. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement lid for Whirlpool washers. It is used to replace a broken or damaged lid and can help to fix symptoms such as a washer that won't open, won't close properly, or has a broken latch. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by unplugging the power cord from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the screws that secure the lid to the washer. 3. Lift off the old lid and set aside. 4. Place the new lid onto the washer and align it with the mounting holes. 5. Secure the lid with screws and tighten them firmly but not too tightly. 6. Plug in the power cord and test out your new lid. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.